dear students, all of you. So students, in some previous lecture, we study about the block number 6 and we completed the block first to 6, means that we completed totally 6 blocks. But today we discussing about the block number first in subject social science. Okay? Some students are late in a school, and therefore today we repeat again the block number first in a short, means that the revision. Okay? So my dear students, in the first block, first lesson, we study about the what is a map. So first lesson name is the first lesson. Year 1 is that the lesson first. The name is what is a map. What is a map? So some students are present in a first lecture. So you tell me what is a map? I tell. Listen carefully. A map is a drawing of the earth. A map is a drawing of the earth or part of the earth on a flat surface. This is called the map. Map means what? A map is a drawing of the earth. A map is a drawing of the earth or part of the earth on a flat surface. This is called the map. Map is a drawing of the earth or a part of the earth on a flat surface. This is called the map. So, the map is used for the many purposes. Means that the uses of map. So, what are the uses of map? So, uses of map are, the map is also helpful to the people to travel from one place to another place. मॅपचा यूज काय होतो? लोकांना एका जागेवरून दुसऱ्या जागी ट्रॅव्हल करण्यासाठी उपयोग होतो. ओके? दे हेल्प पीपल टू लोकेट द डिफरंट बिल्डिंग्स. लोकेट मीन्स टू फाइंड. Means that they help people to find out the different buildings. एखाद्या बिल्डिंगचा पत्ता हवा असेल तर त्यांना मॅप हेल्पफुल ठरतो. Then third is a map help people to find the way to reach a place. For example, suppose you go to the Qutub Minar. So, my dear students, how you find out the ways of Qutub Minar? Obviously with the help of map. Okay? So, a photograph shows only the place of the shows the picture of place. Photograph only shows the picture of place, but map is always shows the detailed information about the place. And the method of making a map is called the cartography. Method of making a map is called the cartography. And the people who makes the map, this is called the cartographers. And a book containing a number of maps, this is called the atlas. Then in a second lesson is direction, symbol, directions, symbols and key. So, my dear students, you know that these are the 3 elements and these are helpful for the map, for drawing the map. So, direction is important to know the directions if we want to read a map. Direction also helpful to easily locate places given on the map. As well as the second is the symbols. So, symbols, most maps use the symbols to show the details on the map. For example, instead of writing road, instead of writing the word road, जर आपण रोड दाखवायचं असेल तर रोड हा शब्द लिहिण्याऐवजी or tree or house, so these elements we show with the help of symbols. And key. So meanings of symbols are usually shown on the map in the form of the key. मग ते सिम्बॉल जर दाखवलं असेल तर ते सिम्बॉल कशाचं आहे हे दाखवण्याचं काम कोण करतं? key. Okay. So my dear students, in the third lesson we study about the title, color and scale. The lesson third is the title, colors and scale. Okay. So these are the remaining 3 elements of the map. So totally 6 elements. These are the totally 6 elements. They are helpful for drawing the map. In the second lesson we study the direction, symbol and key. In the third lesson we study the title, color and scale. So my dear students, title of the map tells us about what the map shows. तो map कशाचा आहे हे शो कोण करतं? टायटल करतं. Okay. So my dear students, this is usually written on the top of the map. आणि हे जे टायटल आहे ते मॅपच्या अगदी टॉपला वरती लिहिलं जातं. Then the second is the colors. So colors, most maps use colors to show the features on the map. मग त्या मॅपवरती जे काही विशिष्ट फीचर्स आहेत ते काय करतात? दर्शनाचं काम कोण करतं? कलर करतं. Instead of writing words like the mountains, forest, water on a map, we use the colors to show them. जर आपल्याला मॅपवरती एखादी रिव्हर दाखवायची असेल, फॉरेस्ट दाखवायचं असेल, वॉटर दाखवायचं असेल किंवा माउंटन दाखवायचं असेल तर त्या मॅपवरती ते वर्ड्स लिहिलं तर त्याच्यामध्ये स्पेस भरपूर वाया जातो. त्यासाठी किंवा इन्स्टेड ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स वी यूज द कलर्स. त्याच्याऐवजी आपण कलर्स यूज करू शकतो. Then third is a scale or 6 points. So totally 6 elements. In the second lesson, third element is a scale. So a map shows a large area on a small piece of paper. मॅप काय करतो? लार्ज असा एरिया एका छोट्याशा कागदावरती दर्शवता येतो. The scale of the map tells us about actual size of a area shown in the map, and we can find a map of the world in a book. Okay. So my dear students, if the distance on the earth or on the land it is a 1 kilometer, so this 1 kilometer will show on a map like the 1 centimeter. Okay. So then drawing a map. The fourth lesson is a drawing a map. This lesson is completely depends on the lesson number 2 and lesson number 3, because in a lesson 2 and 3 given the 6 symbols are given. So symbols are directions, symbols and key, title, colors and scales. These are the 6 elements. Okay, and this with the help of these 6 elements we draw the map. Suppose a map uses different elements to show the various features on it. In the fourth lesson we study the Mina's neighborhood. Mina's neighborhood, example of Mina's neighborhood, and we draw the one map of our bedroom structure in a second question. Okay, so you know that how we draw the map, and in this map the title, colors, scale, symbols, directions and keys are very important elements. So my dear students, this is the structure or this is a short tricks about the block number 1 in subject social science. So my dear students, please take the questions. Okay, please take the questions for the revision. So first question is what is a map? Second question, write the uses of map. Third question, what is difference between map and photograph? Question number 4, write the names of 6 elements. map. Show the map of your bedroom. Okay. So my dear students, these are the 5 questions for the homework. So today's homework of subject social science, solve these questions and send me on a WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.